Next, we will discuss how to visually summarize ordinal data. What will change when we consider the ordinal type of data? Consider the following dataset obtained by recording the final grades of 20 students. Can we treat this dataset the same way we treated the categorical data? The answer is yes. We can list all possible values, do the tally, find the frequencies, and the total, and then compute the relative frequencies. That is, we can construct a relative frequency distribution table for ordinal data the same way we did it earlier for categorical data. Can we construct the bar chart for the ordinal data the same way we did it earlier for categorical data? The answer is yes. The same applies for the relative frequency bar chart. The only difference between the ways we treat ordinal and categorical data is that the ordinal data has the natural order, which we would like to preserve and maintain across all visual summaries. So while the following pie chart and Pareto chart still make sense, we wouldn't normally use them unless we really have to. We discussed the most basic visual summaries for ordinal data.